Hi science friends, Professor Beakerz here. Doggo and I are so excited to have you join us in the Beakerz lab. Don't forget your safety goggles, your science apron, and mom, dad, or another adult because we don't do experiments on our own. So come join us in the Beakerz lab for your next science lesson. Hi scientists, Professor Beakerz here, and our friend Doggo. Are you guys ready to learn about the scientific method? Let's go. The scientific method has 5 steps. Step number 1, you're already experts at it, asking questions. My scientist friends say that you ask hundreds of questions a day. Is this true? If so, we're ready to go. Let's ask a scientific question. What might float higher, a balloon or a bubble? I don't know. We're going to move to step 2. Make your very best guess. In science, we call this a hypothesis. What's your guess? It looks like our friend here thinks a balloon might float higher, and she thinks a bubble. I'm not sure. We have to move on to step 3, my favorite part, experiment time. We're going to let a balloon go, we're going to let some bubbles go, and we're going to watch and see what happens. Then we move on to step 4, record our data. Every good scientist has to do this step. We watch, see what happens, and we write it down, everything we see, so that we can remember what happened. Step 5, the most important part, we learn something new. Whether we guessed right or wrong, it doesn't matter because we learn, and we can carry this on into all of our other experiments. Now that we know the scientific method, let's go explore some more. We will see you next time.